that at the end of this gamma ray burst you have two neutron stars. And these two neutron stars, when they merge, billion of light years away, the neutrons of the neutron star coalesce, creating not only iron from nickel decay as a supernova, but these two neutron stars can create plutonium, can create the number of the element. Therefore, from the gamma ray burst, we see the moment that this uranium was created, the one you have here. Namely, this means that our planet Earth, billions of years ago, participated in a gamma ray burst. But we are closing in. It's the first time that we can make not a picture, but the entire movie. This is my message. And this will not be done, cannot be done, without the beauty of general relativity. Because you have a system which goes at gamma 1000. The space-time diagram which I showed, it looks simple, but it's very likely, like all the examples I have shown you, it's very likely the most complicated system in the universe to be understood ever in physics and astrophysics. This is my message to you.
But there should be concomitant neutrino flows.
Excuse me?
Neutrino bursts should concomitant size. Gamma ray bursts.
Neutrinos are essential. The neutrinos are essential. There is a huge amount of physics which was not used yet. But the point is, neutrino thank you for us. Okay. The space-time diagram we know is this one. It's not trivial, but it can be rationalized. And neutrinos are here. If you want to, a neutron star is 10 kilometers in radii, and you throw in a solar mass a second in a neutron star. It will hit. It cannot enter. It cannot enter because it becomes too hot. Therefore, the only way to enter is to cool by neutrino. And then it enters, and then it forms a black hole. But without a neutrino, it cannot enter.
They are not in the thermodynamic equilibrium, isn't it?
It's too hot,
Yeah.
and it will not be able to go down. Yes?
I think his question is about if we have so much neutrino flux, why we do not observe it?
This is the next part of the technology to be developed. Now we know this object, and they will be detected. It's no problem. It's question just to improve. But now the movie is done. We know what to look for. And we know why they should be there. And then this is only one of the many aspects of new physics which has to be understood. It's not radiation of the Hawking type, there is the radiation which creates a gamma ray burst is much more energetic. It's of the order of MeV, for which electron-positron plasma is created. And the electron positron plasma is the only system in nature which self-accelerates, and that is the gamma ray burst. But the entire picture now is framed. And I hope very much that you will participate into ICRANET, because we want to have more students coming to ICRANET, like Quantai before and Yerlan. And ideally, I will talk to the minister tomorrow to have 3 students a year to come to work with us and learn all this. And vice versa, to have 2 faculty from Kazakhstan to stay with us into ICRANET and to have a building for ICRANET in Almaty, one eventually in Astana, an international organization, and then to have the flow that you can come in Pescara, Nice, Yerevan, to work in ICRANET. ICRANET is not like, it's an international organization with extraterritoriality and like with passport for the scientists. But it's not located like CERN in one place because there is a machine. ICRANET is to develop theories to understand what the big telescopes are looking, what the big telescopes are observing. And therefore, each center should not be big, it should have not more than 40 people, 50 maximum. And then to be in contact electronically through the network and to have to be an accumulation point for the entire region, to teach in the universities, to teach the local scientists this new era. It's a flow. And this I care very much to have in Central Asia, this triptych, Yerevan, Minsk, Almaty, because in Almaty is so beautiful. It will be very good to have a center in Almaty, but also we need to have a center, a small center in the capital as an international organization. We look very much forward to this and to discuss with the minister tomorrow and to have your advice.
In another way, the organization is distributed to us.
Distributed, network,
Wonderful.
network.
Yeah.
And then, like Yerlan, we can sit there and work in parallel, like if we were together in the same place. But I wanted to show you this great adventure.
Maybe we also, from my colleagues, can take part in this network, isn't it?
Yes. We are thinking
Not only.
with Medeo
Yeah.
to organize in one of our centers in Nice.
Yeah.
We have a beautiful center of ICRANET in Nice, and maybe to organize there a celebration for Abdeldin, in which you could join and visit us there. And maybe to create in memory of Abdeldin a prize or something for the best student from the general area of Central Asia. But I am open, I just wanted to show you, I mean, there is something which happened